I first noticed something was wrong while I was playing golf. It seemed that the more I played, the sooner I became tired, and it kept getting worse and worse until I reached a point where I knew I had to do something. After the TAVR procedure, I felt better, and within 48 hours, I felt great. I would recommend the TAVR procedure to family, friends, or strangers. It is a great procedure. Now that the procedure's all over with and I'm released to play golf, my golf's a lot better. I'm not tired. I can go 18 holes, and before I was worn out after 9, so it's great improvement. The golf game now, I'm still a lousy golfer, but I sure enjoy it.